I'm just about to re-record for you our Improvers Solo Paso Doble practice routine number 5. This was taught on the 28th of November 2022, but we noticed when uploading into the video library we had a problem with the audio, so I've had to go back and re-record a lot, so I'm sorry if this has taken a little while. Let me turn around, let me make a start. If you're looking for the full class, it was in the video library on the website, okay? So this is just the short summary. So we were working on arm styling just during the intro in the music, here, and marching on the spot. We then had arms up to the top, nice and strong, and here. We then did a side drag to the right and to the left. Okay? We then did corner checks. Now I did it in the class for 8, but I think just for now 4 is enough. Corner check, corner check, corner check, corner check. We then had a little slow lunge leap. Down, up, down, up. Cuban breaks, 3 sets. Here, here, and again. Slow rotafogos. I did 4. Slight overturn. Then the little Spanish taps, flamenco taps. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then for the swivel, step, swivel, and then close the right foot for an lapel, and then walk on and close again. Okay? So timing, obviously we're not doing it with the music here because this goes on YouTube as well, so I can't do it with the music. But we've got, roughly speaking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roughly speaking, I did say a very, very, very short summary. That was Improvers Solo Paso Doble practice routine number 5, originally from the 28th of November 2022. If you're watching this on YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe. It really will help the channel to grow. Thank you so much, and I will see you again in the next video soon. Bye bye.